My dad bought my sister a 700 dirham perfume, but he bought me a 300 dirham one. I feel like so neglected as a kid, and I feel like that excuses my actions for bullying another individual.
Most of the people who have such a feeling of wanting to be superior or anything have this need to like prove themselves to everyone around them. They need validation from others and they end up expressing it in like a negative way.
Yeah, while I do agree there are a lot of people who probably faced a lot in their childhood, I feel like some people just take it as an excuse. Like they haven't actually faced stuff, but they just try to victimize themselves. For example, my dad bought my sister a 700 dirham perfume, but he bought me a 300 dirham one. I feel like so neglected as a kid, and I feel like that excuses my actions for bullying another individual.
You have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
Your mental health does not give you the right to treat others shit.
Preach, preach.
You have the right to feel bad and whatever you're feeling, but that doesn't give you the right to make others feel the same way.
It's not clocking to you. It's not clocking to you that I'm standing on business, is it?
Have any of you ever been in this type of situation where you were hurt by someone else, or they just said something and they meant it in a very rude way, but you were like, maybe they were going through something, it's fine, I'll be an understanding person. But then you think to yourself that if I was going through something, I wouldn't put out my anger and treat someone else the way that they did to me.
Also, adding on to that, even if I were going through something else and I projected my feelings onto another person, would they show the same empathy or like, maybe she's going through something else too, to me?
Why do you guys think that people say that they're okay when they're actually not? Like, why do they not want to speak up about it?
People don't open up much because they think, oh, what if I give too much information or just overshare stuff, and what if they use it against me?
And so I've been trying to say this quote I came upon across the other day for a while. Okay, it's like this: don't leave your tea out for too long and then wonder why it went cold. Next line. This isn't about you, by the way. Yeah.
Gas queen.
Do you think children change when they grow from like a kid to an adult?
Okay, it is like that. Then maybe you might find some kids who were like pretty talkative when they were babies, and then maybe like after they grew up and maybe because of the negligence or whatever they're facing through in their house, they end up talking less, or maybe they tend to be quiet because they think that not hurting the people anymore.